my 2006 Toyota Tacoma. I've had it for a couple months now here. As you can see, I have a little bit more aggressive tires on it. So there wasn't always those kind of tires, but today we're just going to kind of go over what kind of model this is, what I like about it, and some other things. So this is the review on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma Access Cab. Alright guys, so here's the front of my Tacoma. I have the stock lights on it still. I'm planning on getting new lights maybe here soon. It's pretty clean front. There's a couple of scratches, but looks just bird poop. So I'll show you guys this side. So yeah, I don't have any step-ons yet. But yeah. Alright guys, so this is the inside here. The 5-speed. It's a 5-speed manual. I put a touchscreen in it. It's Boss audio. I got the bench seats back there. So yeah, pretty clean inside. Everything's pretty stock. Other than that, the speakers are all stock. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, so this is the cap. I bought it with this. The guy sold me the truck with this. Matches the tone of the paint. These two windows come open for some airflow. If you have anything back there, you need some airflow, or if you're sleeping back there. I put the two top racks on, or it came with it actually. And you can put like kayaks and stuff up there if you need it, or bikes or something. It does come with a box. So it's gas shock. So that comes up like that, and there's inside. Alright guys, so these are my nitto, my grapplers. Comes stock with two 65/75 R16s. I got American Racing wheels on there. These nittos are 11.5 inches wide. So it's a wider tire. They're very noisy, so beware of that, but as you can see, they look pretty good on there. I think they do. I get a lot of compliments for them. They got a really aggressive sidewall, and there's actually two sidewalls to these tires. So Toyos and nittos come with two different sidewalls, obviously, and this is the less kind of aggressive sidewall, and the other side there's a little bit more pattern on there. So yeah, I like it a lot. Very wide gaps, so obviously you need to be careful in the winter, because the wider the gaps in the tires, kind of the worse it does on ice. But I do have another set of tires for the winter. But yeah, so those are my tires. Also, yeah, they if you're going stock, so this is 2.5 inch suspension, if you're wondering. So 2.5 inch, so that's like a leveling kit. And I don't know if the camera can see this, but right through here is where you get a little bit of rubbing where I need to trim it up. So yeah, it's not too bad of rubbing, but it's still a little bit there. It's only if you do sharp turns and stuff, so yeah, they're pretty good tires, and 33s do fit under it. Alright guys, so this is the engine bay. 2.7 liter, 4-cylinder obviously. It runs good for the truck actually. It's power when you need it, surprisingly. It's all the power I need as a 16-year-old. And yeah, this is actually usually a little bit cleaner. So yeah, I clean this a good bit. But yeah, this truck is 160,000 miles, no issues. 5-speed transmission, manual. Yeah, enjoy everything about it. Big air filter. I don't even need to upgrade that really. To a K&N, great air filter system. Battery's all good. You got your brake fluids. And yeah, great running engine. Very surprising. Plenty of horse and plenty of pull. You can pull jet skis all day with it, even your smaller boats. So yeah, it does great for a little 2.7 liter, and I really enjoy driving around. It's great fuel economy. I can go about two weeks without filling up, so that's the school, work, down to the lake sometimes. So I mean, that's a pretty good truck. It's about $50 to fill it with premium gas, and non-premium it's about $30 for a full tank. And yeah, so I really like it. By the exhaust in here.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, great running truck. Bring you over to the 4-wheel drive. So. Alright, so this is a clutch start cancel button. It comes standard on a lot of newer, but this does have a clutch start cancel. Also, another thing is the 4-wheel drive. It's over here. 4 low, you got 4 high, and obviously your 2-wheel drive. So I'll show you here in a couple seconds how to switch that into 4 low and 4 high. So yeah, great inside. Show you the other side. Got my shoes in here, sorry. Yeah, so there's the other side. Bluetooth comes with boost. You got your air conditioning units there, your AC knobs, and power windows, power locks. So yeah, defrosters, whole shebang. So yeah, guys, that's my truck. Now I'll show you how to do 4 low and 4 high, and we'll take it for a drive.
Yep.
Alright guys, so how you put it in 4 high or 4 low, whatever you want to do. Push the clutch in, make sure it's in neutral. Clutch in. Switch over. This is 4 high. You can see it blinking up there on the dash. I don't know if you can see there.
Yeah, you can right there.
Alright, so yeah, and then obviously 4 low, you can push it again and it beeps. So then to put it back, you just want to switch it like that. Switch it back to 2-wheel drive. Put it in first gear. Give it a little gas. Pull forward. It should come out. And there you go. That is how you put it in 4 high. And also a couple other things. The Bose. I want to show you this. So the Bose is it is hands-free. So what it does here is it's Bluetooth, aux, USB, so you can play movies off this. So that's pretty nice. So I recommend that. It's not the most expensive one, but it does its job. So, alright. Thanks for watching this video. This is my 2006 Tacoma. And I hope you guys have a great day.